firstly. That is a significant feature of this industry, that industry is growing in a big way, barring few bad years like impact of regulatory and other bottlenecks in the economy. And that is the first and foremost is industry is growing, direct selling industry is growing in a promising way. And second significant factor is the industry is providing self-employment opportunities, because employment generation is need of the hour. And our government and various state governments are keen to generate more and more employment in the coming times, because we have huge workforce in our economy, and employment is not generated as per the requirement. So the new sectors, the new economic sectors like direct selling, these sectors are very promising sectors to generate more and more employment opportunities. And third factor is consumer outreach of this industry to the faraway markets like rural markets, remote markets, where no showroom or shopping mall is not available. This industry provides state-of-the-art products to the rural people, to the faraway people. And next factor, fourth significant factor is the women empowerment. That is also need of the hour in India. So the industry is providing women empowerment. A lot of women works in this industry, and the share of women is also high in the direct sellers. And last but not least, fifth most significant factor of this industry is the industry is linking the MSME sector with the rural markets. Because India's MSME sector is growing in good numbers, and contribution of MSME is also increasing year after year. But because of some problems like problems of marketing and consumer outreach, the industry is linking the MSME sector's products with the consumer markets. So that is the fifth factor. So we have considered all the factors, that the industry is growing, industry is providing consumer outreach, industry is providing women empowerment, and linking the MSME sector with the rural markets. We conduct this survey every year, and we are knowledge partner of India's Direct Selling Association. And hopefully we will be conducting the next survey also. And but this survey, the latest survey which I am going to discuss, was very disappointing, because the growth of industry fell below India's GDP growth. The industry's growth rate was very much synchronized with India's economy. When the economy was growing at 7-8%, the industry was growing at 26-27%. And when the economy was growing at 6-7%, the industry was growing at again 22-23%. When the industry was GDP was growing at 5-6%, the industry was growing at 13-14%. But now, when GDP grew by 4.7%, industries, direct selling industries growth fell below the India's GDP growth rate at 4.3%. So that was very disappointing, and that is majorly because of the policy hurdles, regulatory non-availability of regulatory reforms, and various untoward incidents also, like police harassment and other factors like non-availability of conducive environment in some states. That was a major factor impacting the growing regions of this industry, and southern region was one of them.